All right, welcome back, everyone. This is UAPSD. Today, I have a video of a helicopter that's about 3 to 3.5 miles away from me, flying towards Miramar Marine Air Base. I was recording the helicopter as usual. And as you can see, it was just totally getting swarmed with dragons. You're going to see lots of clips in this video. And as we watch the clips, I kind of just wanted to talk a little bit more about what dragon UAP are. I've had a few questions about these things. What are dragons? Why do I call them that? And that kind of thing. So I just wanted to, oh man, look at this shot. Anyways, I just wanted to mention a big thank you to Dr. Robert Shiepe and also Robert with Undercover ET UK. Dr. Robert Shiepe is with Custodian File. That's his YouTube channel. He's the one that actually helped me discover these UAP, and Undercover ET UK as well. He's over in the UK, just totally smashing it, spreading awareness on the other side of the pond. That being said, what makes these dragons so interesting? Well, they're called dragons because 8 years ago, Dr. Robert Shiepe thought that they were dragonflies. It took him about a year to realize that these were not dragonflies. He realized that dragons have the ability to trigger both the X and the K band spectrums. This was confirmed by the Pentagon. It means that they're showing up in radar that military and aviation systems use, which is a big part of tracking their presence, more than likely. They're also known to fly behind objects and leave an actual X-ray image of themselves when recording them. You can actually see that in this video. A couple of moments, the UAPs, they come from behind the mountains or behind objects, and you can actually see that X-ray effect. Another strange trait that they have is that sometimes they'll leave a click in your video. This is something that you can look for. Dr. Robert Shiepe mentioned it in his most recent video. It's a good way to kind of tell if a dragon was in your video. You replay the video and you just listen for a slight click. It's a small background noise, but it's possibly tied to their propulsion or cloaking technology or something like that. Which brings me into the fact that they can also mess with your camera. So if you're recording an aircraft and you notice that your autofocus is failing, that doesn't mean that the phone is messed up. It just means that there is likely a UAP that is somehow affecting your equipment. Along with that, their speed makes them really hard to see. So when you record, you're going to want to review that footage in slow motion, because they're flying at about 2,000 miles per hour, typically, give or take, which is far faster than our eyes can see. The human eye can't see more than 24 frames per second. So another fascinating trait of the dragon UAP is the fact that they're baitable. I mean, you can see I'm able to record daily and upload daily because once you understand their psychology, you understand what triggers their appearance, you can easily bait these things. They're predictable and baitable. Are dragons just technology? Are they probes? What could they be, They seem definitely intelligent. They're responsive. They interact with their environment in many ways that we really can't understand. They interact with each other. They seem to be like plasma-based, but I don't know if we can call them plasma-based entities. Maybe there's some kind of advanced AI drones or something. More exotic, who knows? One thing's for sure is they're not random. They're not bugs. They're not birds. I included an example of a real bird in this video as well, so that you could see one of those. Birds are easy. Birds are easy, okay? Bugs as well. I study bugs here where I'm at, Mission Trails, San Diego. And there's no bugs that look like these things or fly like these things. Once in a while, a bug can ruin your shot, but bugs are pretty easy to identify as well. Here's that bird I mentioned coming through in slow motion. See, birds are really easy. But as I was saying, these dragons, they seem intelligent. Let me know what you think about this. Let me know your thoughts. Appreciate you guys stopping by, UAPSD.